أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد. Today is 14th of March 2026 and we're going to do a weekly review. So this week resulted in a bit loss and we are still struggling with to get into break even. So the week starts on the 9th of March and it ends. So it's the 9th of March. This is it. So first on Monday I took two trades. Uh, I took two trades on Monday, both losses, and then on Tuesday I took two trades, first loss and then a win. These 2 days are already been discussed in my recent video, so we're not going to discuss about this or a review about it. I'll give a short review about these days. Okay, so on the next day, on the Wednesday, I took two trades, and both losses again, and on Thursday I did something different. On Thursday I was going to go somewhere, so I took a trade on higher time frame, and it resulted in a loss. Still, and on Friday I took a trade, and it resulted in TP. I closed it on 1 hour because at the area where the market price were, it was a powerful area, and I didn't want it to race again. Or and it was Friday, and as you know, as I already talked about that I will either will not trade on Friday, and so I did trade on Friday, but I was very careful, and as I can see, I closed the trade on 1 hour. So right now, right now we are at $9,827. We are uh, at loss overall as well as from the previous week. So let me give a short review and a bit medium review of this trade, and I'll talk about something more. So on Wednesday I took two longs and my buys were wrong. You can see this was the Wednesday and this was the price action, uh, and I didn't took the short. I took a long here, and it was logical from that we could go lower, and uh, I was being a bit impatient. So a long here wasn't logical at all here, especially this can be considered as okay. I took a long on 1 minute breaker on this, as you can see, on 1 minute 5 minute breaker as well, plus 5 minute first present if you will first, plus this, as you can see, but it respected to the downside. The bodies are on a bit upside, but it respected it, went higher, touched the upper quarter, and yeah, we went lower. And on Thursday I took a trade on a higher time frame, and I risked $0.5 or 0.5% of my account. It resulted in loss, so it was a different trade than usual. So yeah, and on the Friday I took this loss, or sorry, took a win. Okay, so this was the whole trade, and I went out here on 1 hour. Why did I went out here? Because as you can see, there was an area here, and it was Friday, and the last thing I want was a loss on Friday as well. So I recovered previously loss. So I did the right thing, and this is a Friday, right? So let's talk about the Friday. Let's talk a bit about the Friday price action. I hope the recording is okay. The recording is fine because I recently uh, changed some things. I edited some filters because my audio, I don't know why it wasn't good at all from like 2 or 3 videos. I don't know uh, what happened. So I accidentally changed something or what. So yeah, I hope it is fine right now. So weekly chart, we were respecting the lower quarter of it, and yeah, uh, this was the Friday, and this is a 4 hour uh, PDRA. We'll talk about it later. This is a monthly week, okay, and there's no daily PDRA in this range. So let's get into the news was, I think, at 8:30. No, it was at 10 a.m. I remember 10 a.m. news was. So 4 hour chart, and let me see one thing. So on higher time frame, the price was not good at all. The candles were in between each other's range, and I was not clear with my bias. So on 4 hour, you can see there was some smooth highs up there, and on 1 hour range, one thing which should be studied, or which should be observed, that how did we went above and how did we went lower. Here we expected the C of it, we went lower, expected the low quarter of the weekly, did not take the recent low, went above, did not take any high, or high, took this liquidity, took high, sorry, my bad. So respected the um monthly upper quarter, so, and we went lower. So this was a sign. Why did I talk about it? Because uh, this was a sign that we did not take a liquidity and went higher, took higher. So we will, at least go will take this low and will take this low as well. So yeah, on 15-minute chart, these yellow lines are weekly opening gap, and yeah, so this was the day. uh, the news was at 10 a.m. News was released here, and after that I took the shot, I think. Yeah, I took the shot here after the, and see, it respected the, why did I went out? Because we were going to the first presenting period, and we might get in to the went above and respect this, oh sorry, take these smooth highs, then went low. So it was logical, so that's why I went out. And yeah, we did went above, expected the 5 minute first presenting fair value gap, went lower, expected a beautiful price action, and I did not trade this, and I wasn't watching at charts at that time. I just after closing this trade, I closed the charts, so we went lower beautifully. So this was the day, this was the week, and uh, one thing I'm going to change is one thing I'm going to change is not one thing, but change in plan, uh, which is not the strategy, not any other thing, but how I'm going to approach with my accounts, how I'm going to approach in these challenges, these profit challenges. So right now, still I didn't made a decision yet, but I'm going to make a decision about, should I risk a bit more, or should I trade more than one account. And one thing which uh, which I can do is, which made me think to trade another account, which is, uh, if I made a loss, if I resulted in a loss in one trade, like on normally I take two trades at least, okay, or three trades, okay. So if I took a loss on account, I will not trade on that account, and I will trade on the another, on the other account, okay. This will make me, this will make me hard to close the account. And so from now on, still I have to make a decision. And what the main thing, which is the change in plan, is I'm going to trade on another accounts, and on and one thing more, which is I'm going to look on one market, another market. So and that doesn't mean that I'm going to trade on that as the same way as I'm going to trade on this. I don't know I have to, talked about it yet or not, but I can trade no, on 1 minute as well as 5 minute as well. I can enter, and I know about the stop loss and all the reset liquidity, which is a basic information. So what I'm going to do is I will I will trade on Nasdaq, which would be my main focus on this futures on this Think Capital account. The on the other two accounts, or one account, I will trade either forex, GBP or gold. I want to trade gold, but I looked at the pairs that the broker has a bit more spread than it should on the gold. So yeah, still I'm thinking, but I'm just giving a bit uh, a, a view or a bit idea that what I'm going to change bit. And I'm not going to talk about, not making daily videos, so we going to discuss about it in like few days. So I don't know what the decision would be, so still I'm thinking. And the reason behind it is, one reason that uh, I'm that this uh, by trading on one account, and it's a bit slower. So I'm not like trading on platforms like for 1 to 2 months, like from the time I made these video. I've been trading like for almost years. So I know a bit about these market, and I know how to manage risks, how to manage emotions. Still, sometimes I messed up all too, and so I'm going to. I have several accounts, so I'm going to use them as well. Not all of them, but like at least I will trade on 2 accounts. But I will, one thing which is important, that I will not trade on. I will not trade one. I will not take a trade on both accounts, like the same trade. I will not take the same trade on both accounts. This is important. I think I will trade a idea on one account and the second idea on the second account. Okay, so I'm going to be a bit aggressive. I'm not going to risk more. I'm not going to risk more than 1% or 1.5, maximum 2%, maximum 2%. uh, and it is only will be considered in if I am in profit, if I'm up on my account. If I am at break even or in loss, then I'll be at maximum I will risk 1%. So but I'll be trading more. I'll be trading more ideas. I'll be looking on at least 2 markets. Like if I'm not seeing a good setup, I'm not if I'm not seeing a good market, or the price action is confusing me, or the day is not uh, uh, smooth, so at that time I will look on another market if I'm seeing any good opportunity there, and so I can trade there. So yeah, so this thing which why I'm going to do this, it's not like only it's going to make a quick result, but one thing more, which is I'll be the start it will be a bit difficult to do some, like to look at another market, to take a trade on another idea and on another account that's on a different ideas. But it's worth it, because the benefit from it is, like, i'll be very I'll be out of emotions. Why? Like I will take a trade on one account. If it's a loss, I don't know, I will look for another account. I will look for another trade on another account. Okay, so if I the bad scenario is, if I made a loss on this, I'll be down 1%. If I made a loss on another, then the other one will be one. If I'm approaching on one account, that would be 1%, sorry, 2%. And as well as if I'm trading on one pair at the one time, and I'll I'm being like I'll be more aggressive, not aggressive, I'd say, but more uh, it, I'll be it, there are more chances that I will mess up, or I will take a trade which I should not, or which is not a problem right now, but yeah, it will help me in that too. So main thing would be Nasdaq. Okay, I'll be will look for a trade, or will give first hour of the opening New Year session. I'll give on Nasdaq, and will look on another chart on a 5 minute time frame. I will not take a trade on 1 minute on forex or either gold. Okay, I will look for information of 1 minute. But I will not take I will not take trades on 1 minute. So fair enough. So still I'm saying it again, that I haven't make a decision yet, and still I'm thinking about it. I'm still finding out what I can do better. But yeah, I'm just giving a weekly whatever things coming to mind, or what things can be changed. So yeah, I think that's it. And now uh, we'll look at the goals beside the trading. Okay, Allah Hafiz. So this is a previous week result, and backtest done. Backtest review, I didn't completed 2 days, um, 2 times in a week. Didn't do the 4 times. And upload videos. That is check. Two already been uploaded. practice alive, and this would be the third one. Journal complete. Meditation is as well as complete. This is check. And Japanese, I did 3 days. Arabic as well. These check. Book check. Both are check. So uh, Japanese and Arabic, I'm going to give a bit break on that. Not total break, but I will do a bit less than before. I'll be more uh, focus on trading. I'll be the main focus, the total focus. The main thing is trading. Then my mental health, okay, and my knowledge. So these are the main things, and then then these are some is kind of hobby or yeah. So the next week is goals, backtest same, review same, Arabic 4 times, Japanese videos 3, meditation 5, and journal 4. For these 10 pages, book Power of Your Subconscious Mind 10 pages, and uh, on 48 laws of power I'll read would be like 11 pages, and I'll do Majlis too. So yeah, this will be the next week goals, and yeah, still I'm right now the main focus is trading, and um the first certificate to pass it, then take a payout. So I'm going to change um, the approach. I'm going to change how I'm going to execute in these prop firms. So I'll be doing with some rules from like more than a almost like half of a year. So right now I'm going to do some changes. So and I'll be trading more. No, I'll be not trading more, but I'll be trading. I'll be trading more on different accounts. So that would be a main focus would be on Nasdaq, and the other I'll be on more on longer time frame. Uh, yeah, more like a day trading. So yeah. So inshallah Taala, I'll be I'll pass the challenge. I I will be one of the best, and have to be just have to be consistent, have to be disciplined, have to follow my plan, have to trust the process, have to just execute and just wait for the ice to play. And yeah, inshallah Taala, and inshallah Taala मुझे था होगा. I'll be given, I will be given, I will be given, and I will win trades. I win trades. I'm a very good trader. I'm one of the best, no doubt. I'm one of the best, and will be certified one of the best, inshallah Taala. And I'm calm. At peace. I am confident, and I will conquer this skill, inshallah Taala. I will conquer this skill. I am conquering this skill. I'm not going to give. I'm not going to step back. I'm not going to uh, lose. Yeah, that's it. Allah Hafiz.